Let's talk about overcoming the compliance cliff in funding applications. You don't have a funding problem, you have a paperwork problem. In 2026, government and private funders use automated vetting. This means if your tax clearance has expired or your CIPC status is deregistration in process, a human being will never even see your application, the system will auto-reject you. Here is the checklist you must clear before you hit submit. The CIPC Annual Return Trap. Many entrepreneurs think that once they register a company, it's done forever. This is the biggest mistake in SA business. The rule: you must file an annual return every year on the anniversary of your incorporation. The danger: if you miss 2 successive years, the CIPC assumes your business is dead and moves you into final deregistration. Funding impact: no bank or government agency, SEFA, NEF, NYDA, will fund a business that isn't in business status. Action: check your status on Biz Portal immediately. If you are in our annual return non-compliance, pay the outstanding fees, usually R100 R450, before applying for funding. The SARS Clean Sweep. A tax clearance PIN is the most important document in your folder. But in 2026, a PIN isn't enough, it must be active. Real-time tracking: funders now use the SARS eFiling API to check your status in real time. If you owe R1.00 in penalties or haven't filed a zero return for VAT, your status will turn red instantly. Director compliance: increasingly, funders are checking the personal tax compliance of all directors. If a director hasn't filed their personal returns, it can block the business's funding. Resource: log into SARS eFiling and check your compliance dashboard. Green is the only acceptable color. The Funding Ready digital folder. Stop searching for documents every time a window opens. Create a master folder on your phone or cloud drive containing CIPC documents, your Core 14.3, registration certificate, and latest MOA. B-BBEE Affidavit: for most micro businesses, a self-signed affidavit is enough. Use the official DTI template to avoid rejection. FICA pack: certified IDs, not older than 3 months, and a business bank statement, even if it has R0 in it. Proof of address: a municipal bill or a letter from a traditional authority, for rural businesses. Common auto-reject reasons in 2026. Avoid these instant no's that waste your time. The personal account: if you ask for business funding to be paid into a personal bank account, you will be rejected. You must have a dedicated business account. Generic business plans: funders can spot copy-paste plans from the internet. If your plan mentions US dollars or the American market, it's an instant bin. Director disputes: if your CIPC records show 3 directors but your application only lists 1, the data mismatch will trigger a fraud red flag. The pre-funding audit. Before you apply, ask yourself these 3 questions. Am I active on the Central Supplier Database, CSD? If you want government-linked funding, register at CSD. Gov.ZAR. Is my SARS representative registered? SARS now requires a registered representative to be formally linked to the profile. Without this, you can't get a tax clearance PIN. Is my credit score above 500? Even for grants, some agencies check your personal credit score as a sign of financial character.